everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surbi Sahni. Hope you are doing great. If you are new on my channel, do subscribe my channel because my channel is related to the dental and medical field as well as the dental and medical related videos. Along with that, the scope after BDS and definitely the NEET MDS and the NEET PG related info as well as the related preparation videos. So a lots of things are there on my channel. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can have the notification of my upcoming videos. Now today I'm going to talk about that vacancy that is only for the MBBS graduates. Yes, the JR-ship in the AIIMS Bhopal. Yes, and with the vacancy post number is more than 60. The total number of JR-ship posts out there is 61 vacancies as a JR-ship for just only for the MBBS graduates. So for all the MBBS graduates, don't forget to apply and then thank me later on. Last date is the 24th January of this year. AIIMS Bhopal job notification releases the information for the hiring of the 61 junior resident post, which has been released on the official website, which is shown on your screen. Candidates who are planning to start their career can have a walk-in application on or before 24th January of this year. Qualification in detail for the JR-ship, they require a medical MBBS degree with the respective recognized by NMC or the Institute of National Importance. The candidates who have passed the MBBS including internship on the date of interview but not earlier than 5 years before the date of interview are eligible to apply. The valid registration with NMC or the State Medical Council is required. Now most important part is Apna Sapna Money, that is the salary detail, and the salary is rupees 56,100 per month. Age limit is also there, that is 30 years of the age. Age relaxation is also there, that is 3 years for OBC, 5 years for ST/SC, 10 years for PWD Journal and 13 years for PWD OBC and 15 years for PWD ST/SC. Wow! Application fee is also there for the Journal and OBC. The application fee is rupees 1000. For EWS, ST and SC, the fee is rupees 800. For the PWD fees is nil and the payment mode is the demand draft. Selection process is based upon the walking interview. Now the most important part is how you can apply for this vacancy. Interested and eligible candidates have a walk-in interview, should bring all the following original documents and one set of the self-attested copies at the time of interview. That is on the address, that is the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Bhavan, Medical College Building, AIIMS Bhopal. The walking interview date is already out regarding this vacancy, that is on the 24th January of this year. Regarding as this is the vacancy of the JR-ship, so you can ask for the important questions which usually asked in the interview. For MBBS graduates also, you can ask for the paid PDF of JR-ship important questions. For that, you can DM me on my Instagram ID, which is shown on your screen. Don't forget to follow me there and ask for the same. If you still have any query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen. That's all about the today's vacancy. Hope you like this vacancy. Then hit the like button, apply fast and thank me later on. Thank you for watching.